What if you have a business and you have a contract with another business to like supply you widgets for to make whatever your company's making, or and they breach the contract? Or what if you have a customer that isn't satisfied with the product that you delivered? You have all these disputes that could come up during business, and you need to know how to negotiate them yourself. So if you have to go to the lawyers every time that there's a dispute, then obviously you've got the wrong employees working for you, because you need employees that know the law good enough to resolve these disputes by themselves in favor of your business. It's better to take a break even or make a small loss than to completely lose everything, and you don't want to like upset a client that may make you a bunch of money later just because you got all out of shape because they did something a little bit wrong. You need to know what would happen if you did take it to court. You got to know what legal standing you have, and what the laws are and how the laws have been interpreted, so that you can realize your chances of winning and that kind of thing, so that when you make a deal, you can make a good deal. And so those are reasons why you need to know the law better. You need to know not only the law, but you got to know the way that people in your area of the country or the state have traditionally dealt with that kind of situation, so you can fit in with the community. And if you can't fit in with them and you have to go to court, what's the court going to decide? Have decisions already been made? If you're in a very populous state like New York or Texas or California, then there's probably case law where things have been decided on your particular version of the facts, or very close to it. But if you're in another small state like you know, any of the small states, then the case law is not as settled there. That particular jurisdiction may end up following some other law that has already decided that kind of a situation. But in that case, in whatever case, you need to be, knowledge is power, and knowledge doesn't come cheap. And there's a lot of people that have spent a lot of time and money and energy learning a lot of this stuff, and that's why lawyers are so expensive. But if you do things yourself, you can save money, because you want to know how to go to talk to your lawyer, not have him spend 3 hours explaining things to you when you really only need a 5-minute answer.